if you want to maintain your privacy while using Google Photos, you can hide your online status. Follow these steps to adjust your settings. Step 1. Open Google Photos. Launch the Google Photos app on your device or visit the website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into a Google account. Step 2. Access settings. On the app, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. If you're using the website, click on the gear icon to access the settings menu. Step 3. Find privacy settings. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the privacy options. Look for a section related to online status or sharing settings. Step 4. Adjust online status. In the privacy settings, locate the option that allows you to show or hide your online status. Toggle this option to hide your status from others. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your online status, ensure that you save any changes made. Exit the settings menu and continue using Google Photos with your updated privacy preferences. By following these steps, you can enjoy using Google Photos without worrying about your online visibility.